Students, this is your English class, class 12. This is the third part of the video from the lesson The Third Level. In this video, we are going to discuss about the main characters in the story. Students, in the story The Third Level, there are three main characters. First is Charlie, the protagonist of the story. He is the narrator of the story as well. Second character is Sam Wiener. He is the psychiatrist friend of Charlie. Third character is Louisa. Louisa is Charlie's wife. Students, let's take up Charlie's character first. Charlie is the protagonist of the story. Charlie is a super sensitive and highly imaginative character who indulges in flights of fancy. He is a true representative of modern man who is a victim of insecurity as well as indecision and wants to run away from reality. However, he is a loving husband who likes to rush back home immediately after office to be with his wife Louisa. He is fond of stamp collection, which his psychiatrist friend Sam calls a temporary refugee from reality. Charlie is fascinated with the good old simple days of his grandfather, when the things were pretty nice and peaceful. He is intrigued by the mystery whether the third level exists at Grand Central Railway Station or not. Having been there once, he fails to locate it a second time. Even when he and his wife think that they have proof of its existence, they fail to find it despite their best efforts. So, we can say that Charlie is a true picture of modern man who is caught in the unwanted pulls and pressures of life and wants to escape the turbulence associated with it. Students, the second character in the story is Sam Wiener. He is the psychiatrist friend of the main character, that is Charlie. As a psychiatrist, Sam is perfect in his profession. His diagnosis is precise and terse. He does not believe in mixing up his profession with his friendship. When Charlie consults him, he clearly tells him that he is looking for ways to escape since he is not happy. However, fearing that there might be reaction from Charlie's wife, he is wise enough to quickly revise his statement by saying that, like any modern young man, Charlie is a victim of insecurity. He dubs the narrator's hobby of stamp collection to be a temporary refugee from reality. Thus, Sam is thoroughbred professional and does not mince words where his patients are concerned. Later in the story, he too is affected by the pulls and pressures of the modern life and in his subconscious mind seeks an escape route, although he understands the truth very well as he is a psychiatrist. Thus, in the end of the story, he too discovers the third level of the Grand Central and escapes to Galesburg of 1894. Students, now we are going to take up the third character in the story, that is Louisa. She is Charlie's wife. She refuses to accept any criticism, even if happens to be a positive and rational one. The psychiatrist's observation that her husband was unhappy angers her, and she challenges it. She takes this comment as a personal attack on her responsibility and care as a wife towards her husband, and she feels kind of mad. However, she is a simple lady, and it is not difficult to take her in. On being told that the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, etc., she feels satisfied with the psychiatrist's explanation, little realizing that he is saying the same thing in different words. She is a loving and caring wife. When Charlie talks to her about his predicament regarding the third level, she gets pretty worried and advises him not to look for the third level anymore. However, she is a credulous lady, not given to reason but thinks on her own. When Charlie tells her about Sam's disappearance, she joins him in looking for the third level every weekend.